Okay, you see, here I am with my two darlings, celebrating spring and wanting to tell you all about an upcoming class in LaGrange, Kentucky at Windy Meadows Equestrian Farms. But it's kind of hard to do the filming and turn it on and keep them together all by yourself. And that's what's going to be great about this class. I am co-teaching with Kelly Mount and Susan Kaempfer. Come and explore Jin Shin Jyutsu for you and your animal companions. The early bird discount extends right through March 31st, so sign up quick. Details below. Good puppies. Oh, so good, thank you.